Good morning. Monsoon rain will pour down today. Certain provinces are seeing heavier showers this hour, but rain will lash down in the capital area soon. And 30 to 50 millimeters an hour of heavy showers could pound down on many parts of Korea. Until tomorrow morning, the upper parts of Gyeonggi-do and Gangwon-do could see more than 120 millimeters, and Seoul and surrounding areas could see up to 100 millimeters of downpours. So a rain advisory has already been issued in parts of Gyeongsang-do and Jeolla-do provinces, but more regions could be under a rain advisory later in the day, along with a wind advisory. But Jeju will be free from rain, but it will be quite windy. And along with sunshine, the island will have a high of 33 degrees Celsius this afternoon, but heat takes a break with rain in central areas, topping out at 25 degrees here in Seoul and over in Chuncheon. Now the rain lets up tomorrow morning, then another band of rain is in the forecast for later this week and into the weekend. With that in mind, let's take a look at the international weather conditions.